There is snowstorm in Japan. The snow was very bad. 13 people died. More than 1,500 people were injured. Heavy snowfall, 13 inch 33 centimeters of snow on an area hit by the tsunami in 2011. Some were unable to work. Very many flights were cancelled, which is not easy to reach the center of Tokyo. Strong winds damage power lines. More than 20,000 houses have no electricity. The weather will get better. It will be warmer. Thank you for watching.